Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it still bull trend or bearish reversal? What's going on with the stock market world on a daily time frame? As usually, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for V-Bull. V-Bull, let's start from index charts. Dow Jones flat, right? It's very interesting. It started positive, it kind of started flat, moved negative, and it closed positive. Same for S&P 500. Started flat, moved down, and closed neutral, flat. And same for Nasdaq, right? Start flat, moved down, but it was minus 1%, and it closed flat. Someone is buying market, right? Okay, now let's move to my watch list and we will do technical analysis review. If you want to learn more about V-Bull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about V-Bull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using I'm using moving averages. White line, it's MA 200. Purple line, it's MA 100. Blue line, it's MA 50. Yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5, MACD indicator lines, RSI indicator lines, also oscillator bars. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Let me tell you how it works. Look at it, SMA5 green line. It did bearish crossover, you see my mouse, bearish crossover over red line 10 and 20. When bars moved below SMA 5, it was bearish trend. When bars moved above SMA 5, it was bullish trend. Since that time it was bullish, and now it's kind of correction. It was correction here, it was bear trap, did bounce. Now we'll see, will it bounce or it will continue bearish trend. Looks like it's building bearish reversal on all indicators. All indicators you see are MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, they all switch to bearish. Awesome oscillator is still green positive. And moving averages, MA5 didn't make bearish crossover yet on daily time frame, but on 4 hours time frame it's already did. Look at it. SMA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It did it before over here, you see. And it touched SMA50 and bounced from it. We'll see this time it will bounce from SMA50 or it will continue bearish trend. You see MACD did bearish crossover, RSI, awesome oscillator. All indicators align in the bearish trend. For us, it's a full confirmation of the bearish direction. For the dollar, it means it's on the 4 hours time frame. It means it's negative for equities and indexes. Now let's move to Qs. Qs, you see MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and last bar around MA5. It is bullish crossover, MACD didn't make it, RSI didn't make it, awesome oscillator already green. Still below 20, still kind of flat neutral, but it is bullish crossover on daily. It's not confirmed because it's still below 20. Still in the negative territory. On 4 hours time frame, it did confirm because MA5 and 10 and bars moved above MA20, but they all still below 200. It is still bearish territory. Signal is positive, territory is bearish. Let's see what will happen. 1 hour time frame, also bullish crossover, positive bullish trend on 1 hour time frame. Qs, the most strongest, the most positive index on all time frames. Volatility index VXN for Nasdaq on daily time frame, still positive, still bullish. It is bearish for Qs. S&P 500 was flat today. SPX still last bar still below all moving averages except 200, still bearish trend on daily. 4 hours time frame, Last bar still below MA10, 20 below all moving averages, MA50 did bearish crossover over 200, bearish trend. MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, awesome oscillator, all indicators kind of positive, but no confirmation on MA5 yet. Still bearish. 4 hours time frame, it did bounce, it did bullish crossover as MA5 and 10 and bars did bullish crossover over 20, touched MA50. Maybe they will be rejected from MA50 like it was over here. MA50 can be resistant. Now let's move to VIX. Let's move to VIX. VIX daily, right? Red bar, but still above all moving averages, still positive, bullish. It is bearish for S&P 500. DIA, Dow Jones, daily, right? Last bar below all moving averages, MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 200, bearish trend on all indicators. On daily 4 hours time frame, DIA, all moving averages, even MA50 did bearish crossover over 200 except 100. Bearish trend on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, it did bounce from oversold territory, and now as MA5 and 10 did bullish crossover over 20 and bars also. Dow Jones, right? VXD, volatility index for Dow Jones. Last bar still positive, still bullish, it's negative for Dow Jones. IWM, let's see, IWM daily, last bar below all moving averages, still bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators. 1 hour time frame, SMA5 did bullish crossover, SMA10 did bullish crossover, MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, all indicators bullish. Not Fibonacci, awesome oscillator. All indicators bullish. For IWM, right? Now let's, on all time frames, it's still, yeah, bearish on 1 hour time frame, it did bounce. Apple. Let's move to Apple. Apple, positive, bullish on all time frames, right? SMA5 did bullish crossover, last bar touched MA20. It can be rejected, possible. So far it is bullish crossover, bullish divergences on all indicators. You see the price action downtrend, bullish divergences on all indicators on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame. That's why it's a bullish divergences. That's why we are observing some bounce, right? As on the 4 hours time frame, also MA5 and 10 did bullish crossover and bars over 20. Confirmed bullish reversal. 1 hour time frame, similar bounce, bullish, last bar above all moving averages except 200. Very positive bullish run. Tesla daily. Tesla daily. SMA5 did moving averages 5 did bullish crossover over 10 and last bar moved above all moving averages. It is positive bullish. 4 hours time frame, all indicators bullish and last bar above all moving averages, bullish trend. It bounced from MA200, you see. Similar like here, previous time, it did bounce from 200 and it did bounce from 200 this time again. 1 hour time frame, bullish crossover. Yeah, even MA20 ready for bullish crossover. Bullish trend on all indicators on all time frames for Tesla. Bullish trend. Nvidia, let's start daily also. Nvidia daily. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar it touched and stopped at MA50. Bullish crossover on all indicators, bullish trend. 4 hours time frame. All moving averages, all indicators bullish, right? Uptrend, last bar above all moving averages except 100. It did touch 100. Maybe it will be rejected from 100 like it was rejected over here previously. Absolutely possible. So far still bullish. 1 hour time frame for Nvidia also bullish, but it did touch 200 and it was rejected previously from 200, you see. Maybe it will be rejected from 200 also, we'll see. So far bullish. Microsoft daily SMA 5 MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Bullish reversal signal, right, on daily. 4 hours time frame, similar story. MA5 and 10 and bars did bullish crossover over 20. Bullish reversal signal. 1 hour time frame, last bar moved above all moving averages. Bullish crossover, bullish trend. Amazon. Let's start Amazon daily. Amazon daily. MA5 and 10 in bars still below all moving averages except 200, still bearish trend on all indicators on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and last bar below it is bearish trend on 4 hours time frame. And 1 hour time frame it did bounce, right? MA5 did bullish crossover over 20. Yeah, it did bounce, not strong but a little bit. Still kind of flat. Baba. Let's do Baba. Baba is very negative, right? Has some bullish divergences. Look at it. Some bearish trend. Let me show you. Bearish price action, right? And bullish divergence on RSI. Not on RSI. Yeah, let's do it on RSI. Bullish divergence, right? It wants to bounce. Still bearish trend. 4 hours time frame, same story. Bullish divergence. On all indicators, right? On NBCD also, same bullish divergence, even larger, like you can even from here, started from here, right? You can make it like this one and start this from here. Bullish divergence, same on MACD, bullish divergence. Multiple bullish divergences. Looks like Baba wants to bounce. 1 hour time frame. It did kind of bullish crossover. It did bounce on 1 hour time frame. Still a lot of bearish divergences on 1 hour time frame. Look at it here. Bullish divergence, trend is bearish. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I already mentioned, dollar is kind of building bearish reversal. Be careful. If you're long on a dollar daily, it's not confirmed yet, but on 4 hours time frame, it's already did bearish reversal. Just monitor it. Close below MA50, it is dangerous. If it's going to continue that bearish trend, it is completely confirmed bearish reversal trend. For me, it's already bearish reversal because it's below 20. And it will be negative for equities. So far, all indexes, okay, all indexes in different state, right? Like on 1 hour time frame, they all did bounce. On 1 hour time frame, they all bounce. And Qs is kind of positive on all time frames. 1 hour, 4 hours time frame, and daily. Even daily positive. Q is the most strongest. Why? It's because 7 mega stocks from my watch list also, they're still positive bullish. That's why Qs is bullish. That's why Qs is still positive bullish because of the mega 7 stocks. All other indexes like S&P 500, Dow Jones and Russell 2000, they all bearish. They all bearish on daily and 4 hours time frame. They only bounce on 1 hour time frame. But 1 hour time frame, it's for day trading. That's what we are observing, and also the all volatility indexes for all four indexes, they are still bullish. It means it's negative for indexes. That's all so far on 1 hour time frame bullish reversal. On other time frames, bearish trend for all indexes except Qs. Only Qs and 7 mega stocks still bullish trend. That's all. Now let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.